It's about conic section.
Okay.
I don't suggest you to, for example, actually you need to learn conic sections. It's in level 2. In the syllabus, in the part of geometry, you have to learn circle. But this level 1 test, how come they, because this is the sample test from College Board, right?
Yes.
That means they also expect us to know the circle. Circle is in the level 1 syllabus. And then ellipse, hyperbola, parabola will be in the level 2 syllabus.
Okay.
Then let's say my suggestion is to use the calculator.
Okay.
The calculator actually allows you to make a plot of the circle given the standard form. So here we have 2 circles equations given. They want us to find the points of intersections. So let's discuss how to use the calculator to plot the functions. Actually, you need to know the standard form of a circle.
Okay.
What's the standard form of a circle?
360
X minus
degrees.
h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, where the center is given to be the position hk, and r stands for the radius. And let's learn how to use the calculator to you press go to stretch pad, the plot regions, and then you press menu. To go to the plot regions, you press this button.
Oh, got it.
Yes, good. Then to delete all your previous graph, you press menu, action, delete. Yes.
Okay.
Then just delete everything.
Got it.
And then you press menu, go to graph. Yes. And then go to equation. And then
Circle?
there's circle. Actually, it allows you to plot all the different types of conic sections.
Okay.
And then there are 2 forms you can select. Because they give us the equation in standard form. Then we use the standard form.
Okay.
Enter. Then what's the first equations? You choose the general form.
Oh, but it's the standard
is-
form.
Oh, okay, sorry. Then it's the other way around. You choose the general
okay.
form. Because they give us the equation in this form. So therefore, in the calculator, we also in this format.
Circle.
Yes, this form.
This one.
Yes,
Okay.
good. And then for the first one is x squared. So therefore, in the empty space,
Put
you
x?
put 0.
Oh, 0.
Because it's x minus 0. That gives you x squared, right?
Oh, yeah.
And then similarly, for y is y minus 0, then it's y squared. And then equals to 4. 4 can be written as 2 squared. Yes, very good.
Okay.
Then just
And
put
then
2
enter.
squared. Enter. Done. Then you get the first equation, the first circle. You do the same thing to plug in the second circle equation. This time is x minus 2, and then y minus 0 equals to
So x minus
2. Yes. And
y
then y
minus
minus
0
and then
equals
equals to again
2.
4. Yes, 2 squared. Very good. Done.
Okay.
So what did they ask for? They asked for the intersection, right? How to find the intersection point? You press menu. Analyze graph.
Yep.
Intersection.
Okay.
Then they will ask you. So in this case, what is the meaning of corner? Corner here means in the figure. You try to drag a rectangle.
Okay.
So this is the first corner. This is the second corner. So therefore, you assign a region for the calculator to solve for the position of the points of intersections. So therefore, now you use your touchpad to mark the position of your first corner. Enter, and then just
Like
drag.
up there?
Yes, and just drag the rectangle to the second corner. Then done. They showed you the points of intersections to be 1 and 1.7732. Can you get this?
Yeah, hang on.
Good.
L 1.73.
Yes.
Okay.
Which is
One
actually
and
the
1.7.
square root of 3.
Oh, okay.
But when you look at the graph, there's not only one intersection point. There are two. Then you can use the same method to find the second point of intersection. But by symmetry, you notice that these 2 points should have the same x position. Yeah, but one positive, one negative. So therefore, you can deduce that its position will be 1 and negative root 3. So therefore, the answer would be B.
Oh, okay.
So therefore, it's very fast if you just plug in the equations and then use the beam functions to find the point of intersections. If we solve it by hand, yes, it's possible, but we have to do all the algebra.
Yeah.
Do the substitutions and then do the expansions and then solve for x and then solve for y. It takes a long time.
Yeah.